Namaste. We will continue our topic of alcohol. First is ethanol. Ethanol, also called ethyl alcohol, gain alcohol or alcohol, a member of a class of organic compounds that are given the general name alcohols. Its molecular formula is we can see here. Ethanol is an important industrial chemical. It is used as a solvent in the synthesis of other organic chemicals and as an additive to the automotive gas oil. Ethanol is also used in alcoholic beverages such as beer, wine, distilled spirits, etc. The formula of ethyl alcohol, which we call as ethanol, is given here. Ethanol is a compound of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen elements. Was and it was determined in 1808. 5 years later of its discovery, the formula is published. Ethyl alcohol consists of two carbon chains, ethane, from which a hydroxyl group OH is attached. The proper ethyl alcohol chemical formula and structure formula are given in the following points. Ethanol has two carbon atom, five hydrogen atom, and an hydroxyl group. Ethyl alcohol is colorless, volatile liquid with a characteristic odor and a pungent taste. It has a flash point of 55 degree Fahrenheit, is classified as a depressant drug, and is toxic when ingested in large quantities. The molecular formula is described above. Ethanol molecules, two carbon atom, six hydrogen atom, and one atom of oxygen occur per molecule, but give us no structural information. Structural information is connected and given by how the molecule fitted in the space. Next is use of ethanol. Owing to its antibacterial and antifungal property, ethanol is used in many hand sanitizer and medical wipes. Ethanol is also used as an antiseptic and as disinfectant. In case of glycol poisoning or methyl alcohol poisoning, ethanol is often administered as antidote. Several medications that are insoluble in water are often dissolved in ethanol and used as mouthwash and analgesic. Ethanol is the primary ingredient. It is an ingredient in many alcoholic drink which we consume. Ethanol is also used in the industry, the production of other chemicals like ethyl ester, acetic acid, diethyl ester, ethylamines. This compound is widely used as a solvent due to its ability to dissolve both polar and non-polar compound. Since it has a melting point of minus 114.1 degrees Celsius, ethanol is also used as injection in cooling bath in several laboratories. It also serves as an active fuel in spirit many thermometers. Next alcohol is methanol. Methanol is the simplest alcohol with the chemical formula which is given here, CH3 OH. It is not a hydrocarbon since the hydroxyl group is chemical bound to the carbon atom. It consists of a methyl group linked with a hydroxyl group. It is also known as wood alcohol or methyl alcohol. It has a distinctive odor which is milder and sweeter than ethanol. It is volatile and does not have color. It is flammable, light, poisonous liquid. Consumption of methanol is toxic and can cause blindness. It is widely used in the manufacturing of acetic acid and formaldehyde. Robert Boyle was first who isolated the methanol in the year 1661. It was produced by distillation of boxwood. Nowadays, methanol is prepared directly by carbon monoxide gas and the hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. It is commonly used solvent. It is frequently used as additive in many manufacturing companies. Next is use of methanol. Methanol is widely used in the production of acetic acid and formaldehyde. In order to discourage the recreational consumption of ethanol, methanol is often added to the denaturant. This compound is also used as an antifreeze in many pipeline. It is also used in sewage treatment plant. A mixture of water and methanol is used in high performance energies in order to increase power. Methanol is also used in the production of hydrocarbon, olefins, and some aromatic compound. It is also used in the production of methyl ester and methylamine. So these are the some uses of methanol. Next is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is an organic compound with the chemical formula C6H5CH2OH. The IUPAC name of this compound is phenyl methanol. At room temperature, benzyl alcohol exits as a colorless liquid that has a mildly aromatic smell. When the aromatic alcohol is deprotonated, the resulting result ionic is known as benzylate. The compound is not very soluble in water. However, it is form miscible mixture with diethyl ether and other alcohol. Many plants are known to naturally produce benzyl alcohol. The essential oil extract from the jasmine is also contains some amount of benzyl alcohol. Next is structure. The compound consists of the hydroxyl group attached to the methyl group, which in turn to attach to an aromatic ring. The structure of meth- benzyl alcohol is given below. Okay, you can see here the structure. Next is physical property. Under standard condition, benzyl alcohol is colorless, slightly aromatic liquid. Its solubility in water corresponding to 3.5 gram per 100 liter at 20 degrees Celsius. This compound is soluble in several organic solvents such as benzene, methanol, acetone, ether, and some chemical properties are also given here. The reaction between carboxylic acid and benzyl alcohol lead to formation of ester. So next is the uses. This compound is widely used as a solvent for epoxy resin, coating, ink, and paints. Some other application of benzyl alcohol are also given here. You can see benzyl alcohol is used in as a starter precursor for manufacturing of ester. Benzyl alcohol can serve in the treatment of head lice and many shampoos, lotion. It has also skin benefit. It is antibacterial. So here we complete the three main alcohol. For any query, you can contact. Thank you.